Beyond the silence of the forest, beneath the vast open sky, wildlife continues to move without pause. This is Wildlens, where every corner of nature holds a story and every creature plays its role. See the world through the lens of the wild. The tiger is not just a big cat. It is the largest predator ever to belong to the cat family. An adult tiger can weigh over 300 kilograms, yet it moves through the jungle almost without a sound. Every step is calculated. Every movement is silent. Unlike lions, tigers do not rely on a pride. They hunt alone, survive alone, and dominate alone. One of the tiger's greatest weapons is its stripes. No two tigers share the same pattern. Each stripe is as unique as a fingerprint. And surprisingly, these stripes don't just cover their fur, they are also etched into the skin underneath. In the wild, those stripes break up the tiger's outline, making it nearly invisible in tall grass and dense forests. To prey animals, the tiger doesn't look like a predator. It looks like part of the environment. African wild dogs live in the open plains and savannas of sub-Saharan Africa. With their colourful fur, large round ears and slender bodies, they look playful. They are one of the most efficient hunters on the entire continent. They hunt better than lions. While lions succeed in about 30% of their hunts, African wild dogs succeed in over 80%. That makes them the most successful large predator in Africa. Teamwork above everything. Wild dogs live in packs of 6 to 20 members. Every hunt is carefully coordinated. Some dogs chase, others cut off escape routes, and the fastest ones deliver the final move. They can maintain high speeds for long distances, slowly exhausting their prey. They vote before hunting. Before a hunt begins, wild dogs often perform a ritual. They sneeze. Yes, sneeze. The number of sneezes helps the pack decide whether it's time to hunt or stay resting. More sneezes, higher chance the hunt begins. A different kind of alpha. Unlike wolves, African wild dogs have less conflict in their packs. Usually, only the alpha male and female are allowed to breed. The rest of the pack helps raise the pups. Older or injured members eat first, while the strongest dogs wait. A rare example of true cooperation in the wild. Endangered, but not weak. Despite their hunting success, African wild dogs are endangered. Habitat loss, disease, and human conflict have reduced their population to less than 7,000 in the wild. They are not weak predators, they are victims of a changing world. The African wild dog proves one powerful lesson. In nature, intelligence and cooperation can be stronger than raw power. Cougars live across North and South America, from snowy mountains to dense forests and deserts. They are the most widely distributed big cat in the Western Hemisphere. Silent, solitary, invisible. One cat, many names. The cougar holds the world record for the animal with the most common names. Mountain lion, puma, panther, catamount. All different names for the same predator. built for ambush. Unlike cheetahs, cougars don't rely on long chases. They stalk silently, using terrain, shadows, and patience. When the moment is right, they explode forward in a single leap. Cougars can jump over 5 meters horizontally and 4 meters vertically. A tail made for balance. A cougar's long tail isn't just for looks. It works like a counterweight, allowing perfect balance while sprinting, turning, and jumping. Without it, those mountain hunts would be impossible. They don't roar. Despite their size, cougars cannot roar. Instead, they chirp, hiss, growl, and even purr like house cats. A reminder that size doesn't define everything. A precise killer. Cougars aim for the neck. One clean bite to the spine or throat ends the hunt quickly. No waste, no noise, just efficiency. They hide their food. After a kill, cougars often drag their prey to a hidden location and cover it with leaves and dirt. They return for days, a habit rarely seen in other big cats. The lynx is not a traveller of wide lands. It doesn't cross continents or deserts. It belongs to one place, cold forests, deep snow, and quiet mountains. Here, sound travels differently. Every step matters, and survival depends on patience. This is where the lynx thrives, snowshoes for paws. Lynx have unusually large, fur-covered paws. These act like natural snowshoes, spreading their weight and allowing them to walk on snow without sinking. Prey sinks, the lynx doesn't. Ears that hear everything. Those pointed ears with black tufts aren't just for looks. They help direct sound and detect even the faintest movement under snow. A mouse beneath the ice? The lynx can hear it. Ear tufts are still a mystery. Scientists still debate the true purpose of the lynx's ear tufts. They may enhance hearing, signal mood, or help with camouflage. Some mysteries remain unsolved. Population follows the hares. In some regions, lynx populations rise and fall based on the number of snowshoe hares. When hares increase, lynx numbers follow. Nature stays in balance. Solitary by nature. Unlike wolves or wild dogs, lynx live and hunt alone. They only meet during mating season, then disappear back into the forest. No pack, no noise, just silence. The caracal does not wait in silence. It reacts in milliseconds. In open land where prey escapes upward, this cat hunts the sky. Caracals live in Africa, the Middle East, and parts of Central Asia. They thrive in dry savannas, deserts, and rocky landscapes. Where speed is limited, precision becomes everything. Built to jump. Caracals are not built for long chases. Instead, they rely on explosive power. From a standing position, a caracal can leap over 3 meters into the air, snatching birds mid-flight. Few predators can do this. Aerial hunter. In a single jump, A caracal can knock down multiple birds with rapid swipes of its front paws. Speed, timing, perfect control. A mini panther. Although smaller than lions or leopards, caracals share many traits with big cats. Strong shoulders, retractable claws, a powerful bite. In ancient times, they were even trained to hunt birds for royalty. Active at the right moment. Caracals are mostly nocturnal. They hunt when prey is distracted, when shadows are long and reaction time is slow. Highly adaptable. Caracals can survive with very little water, getting most of their moisture from prey. A perfect hunter for harsh environments.